4, that INEC chairman, Professor Joshua Amupitan, having shown bias and open partisanship in favor of the ruling APC, should not conduct the 2027 general election, as the Nigerians across board have lost confidence in him and his capacity to guarantee the required neutrality to deliver a free, fair, transparent, and credible election. His continued stay in office is vexatious and capable of triggering widespread crisis in our nation. 5, that the National Assembly should immediately review the Electoral Act 2026 to remove all sections and clauses that threaten the sanctity and integrity of the elections and run counter to constitutional provisions. 6, that all leading politicians that have been detained or harassed on bailable offenses be released with immediate effect and be allowed to exercise their fundamental rights of participation and inclusivity as Nigerians. 7, that we consider the recent guidelines released by INEC as obstacles deliberately engineered to impose conditions and deadlines on the opposition parties. We therefore demand that INEC extends the deadline for primaries till the end of July 2026. 8, the summit commends Nigerians for their resilience and readiness to work with opposition parties to free our nation from state capture. 9, the National Summit of Opposition Political Parties thanks the Oyo State Governor, Governor Sheyi Makinde, and the people of Oyo State for hosting this epochal event. Finally, it should be noted that this is just the beginning of a series of collaborative efforts, meetings, and summits that Nigerian opposition elements will be doing from now till the end of 2027 elections. And thereafter, we shall also proceed to ensure that the rights of Nigerians are not taken for granted. Thank you very much. I will now hand over to the chairman of ADC for closing remarks. Your Excellency, sir.
The first thing I want to do is, I'm sure you understand, those in favor that we adopt the communique say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. We have endorsed the communique. We would like to appreciate you, and we would like to appreciate all the young chairmen who are here with us today. I think it's a wonderful thing that we've been able to meet. It's an excellent union, and we'll continue to do this. Once more, on behalf of all of us, the chairman, I want to thank you, the audience, and I want to thank you for your active participation in this summit. As we arrange further summits in future, we expect more participation from all of you. Thank you, and the good Lord bless all of you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. To bring matters